Hello everyone, welcome to our project. In this video, I'll walk you through our project. This platform combines astrology, numerology, and AI to provide personalized spiritual guidance. I'll demonstrate our line flow workflow, explain data strategy integration, and highlight key features like Kundali generation and horoscope insights. This is the line flow interface, where we build and optimize our AI workflow. The flow connects user inputs, our trained datasets, and the AI model to deliver personalized spiritual insights. Due to time constraint, we implemented static daily horoscope data for today's date. This ensures the system remains functional while allowing future updates for dynamic daily predictions. The AI model provided by GBT processes the user's detail and fetches data to generate personalized insights. The model combines astrological principles and user specific data to create meaningful recommendations. For static data like gemstone recommendation, puja rituals, and numerology insights, we query our database hosted on DataStax StarDB. StarDB ensures high performance and real time querying for smooth user interface.
So here is the prompt that we passed, stating our date of birth with the prompt that what gemstone should we be wearing, and the prompt that we received as output was was accurate on based on what gemstone we should be wearing according to our birth date, and what are the mantras we should be chanting while wearing the gemstone. And the data we used to train this is here the planetary gemstones according to planet and gemstones, and the general guidance and range of birth date. So combining all these and all the prompts, our project is able to give an accurate answer for the queries. And now for the part of getting the full generation of our kundli, we will click on get started, and we have a prompt that we need to fill out, and let me fill out and then continue the video. Yeah, so I have filled all the necessary data that we need to generate our kundli, which is the name, birthplace or birth date, time, latitude and longitude, the time zone that we follow, and our email id, just for filling purpose. And then we will be clicking on get your chart. So what this will do, for the chart generation, for the pictorial chart generation, we are using an open source API to get this SVG chart, and the all the data related to this chart. But we are using that API only to get the chart, and our DataStax lang flow is trained to give answer on the basis of your birth date, and regarding the fields such as what career will suit you, your relationship status, your personal growth, family, social connections. So all these data are trained in our Langflow database to give the accurate output with the help of your date of birth. And this kundli is generated using an open free API. And also we have implemented a functionality to print. If we want to print the data that we are seeing here, we can click on print and all the data will be ready to be printed. Okay, so now I will be walking you through the data sets and all the raw data that we are using for a numerology prediction, wealth, and all the other status like relationship, career, and other fields. So here is the data. It starts with the gemstone that I showed you earlier, the mantras, astrological insight based on Rashi for recommendation, personalized gemstone, puja recommendation with importance of benefits, do's and don'ts based on astrological insights for each Rasi. And here is the part that we have fed to calculate the Mulank and Bhagyank, which are major part for our AI to decide what are the careers, relationship, and personal growth, family, social connection, are to be given as output for a particular date of birth. And here are all the fields that are necessary for career, relationship, personal growth data fields. And all this data are fed into our Langflow workflow. With help of GPT generation, we are receiving the output here in this form, and also the chatbot that we showed you earlier.